and my whole body has seized up. तो आस्ता आस्ता अब मैं चलने लगा हूँ, मैं भाग रहा हूँ, अब भाग तो नहीं रहा हूँ, मैं चल रहा हूँ,
जी जी
साइकिलिंग
जी
थोड़ा
जी
बहुत करता
जी
हूँ,
जी
and
जी
gardening.
जी
But these sort of things, the activities are very important.
राइट
The physical activities
आई
for
यस
walking is the
यस
most important
राइट
part.
ना माथुर भाई आपसे ये पूछ रहा हूँ सवाल कि अब बात करते स्किन के बारे में टॉक्ट अबाउट स्किन द फर्स्ट पॉइंट नाउ वी टॉकिंग अबाउट एक्सरसाइज they always say if we do rigorous exercise the blood circulation improves and that may also help the skin nutrients will pass to the skin also but as we are aging the skin starts shrinking so will that exercise really help us to really nourish the skin.
Well, like if you are supplying enough oxygen
जी जी
through pranayam,
हम्म
and then every organ is being nourished nicely. So
जी
that's the first part of that.
जी
Walking, like they both said, Nina and Cyril, that your joints have to be lubricated all the time.
हम्म
So for joints to be properly lubricated, you have to do like for cardio, yes, you can pace it up and you can say like a little bit, but it's not that easy to do sometimes. My sister she started walking slowly, and she's just 4 or 5 years younger than me, so she's also like up there.
जी
And today both of her knees are in trouble because walking on concrete, even with the Nike shoes and all of that stuff.
हम्म
So my my experience of I am also like almost running my 70 years, like crossed 71st year now.
जी जी यू आर स्टिल
uh,
यंग माथुर साहब यू आर स्टिल यंग 71 years young हैं आप.
yeah, I mean, we are all young. It's only a state of mind.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Yeah, but I think to me one of the key parameter is your calorie intake. You have to make sure a simple mathematics is how much you are inputting and how much you are consuming, because this is one of those slow drops which keep adding on you, and no matter how much you want. And then the common saying, whenever you talk, I don't eat much but I don't know why I put on weight. So the point is that we are in two stages. Like right now is, if everything is all right with us, then we are in a maintenance mode only. Then maintenance mode is fine. You can just little bit of walk and little bit of pranayam for your oxygen supply, and some joints, and like you write poetry and you sing, and for mindfulness, something for that. So you have covered all basically 3-4 bases.
जी
Coming to your wrinkles and skin aging, so aging is going to happen. Like we are saying, the whole exercise is how to delay that process,
correct.
and these 3-4 things can help that, I think.
जी जी okay. Moving to mind your diet, as Mathur ji just said, diet is the key. I think what we are putting in, it comes out in different forms. All right. So talking about diet, you think vegetarian diet, non-vegetarian diet, or doesn't matter what we eat? Is the quantity we do or how much we burn after eating at a senior age? I'm talking about, not youngsters. So that's, go ahead, Nina, on that the food, the variety of types of food.
Yes, yeah. Coming from India, I think हम लोगों को बचपन से बैलेंस डाइट बोलते थे कि आप खाएं, तो
जी
उसमें हर चीज होती है. आपका नॉन वेज भी खा सकते हैं, वेजिटेरियन भी, और लाइक योगर्ट एंड मिल्क एंड एवरीथिंग,
जी जी
डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स. तो हर चीज का बैलेंस्ड अगर रहेगा तो मेरे ख्याल से इसमें ये नहीं है कि दोज हु आर ईटिंग वेजिटेबल्स तो वो ज्यादा हेल्दी हैं, या जो नॉन वेज प्रोटीन खा रहे हैं. तो अगर बैलेंस डाइट रहेगी तो आई थिंक इट्स ऑलवेज इफेक्टिव.
right. All right. Cyril sir, आपकी thoughts, mind your diet means exactly what we are talking here.
Yeah, I do agree with balanced diet is the most important part.
जी
I find that as I grow older,
जी
I find that meat is not suitable for my body. Like I can't digest.
जी जी
So I practically had to give up meat,
mm.
whether chicken or whatever. But I supplemented with eggs or something else. the other thing is also like how much intake do you take of the meal? You know, like पहले जो थे हम पेट भर के खाते थे.
जी.
हाँ, मतलब मम्मी उठने नहीं देती थी वहां से.
Right.
खाए जाओ.
खाओ बेटा खाओ.
अब जो है now that we have grown older, we do realize that, you know, instead of having a pot belly, you know, I would like to be slim and nice and healthy. तो उसके लिए खाना कम खाना चाहिए, जितना कम वो अपने ऊपर है. How much you like to eat, how much you can eat and all that. For balanced diet.
Right. माथुर साहब, ये जो हम डाइटिंग करते हैं, या डोंट यू थिंक द अमाउंट वी ईट, द अमाउंट वी डोंट ईट बेसिकली डिपेंड्स अपॉन एडिक्शन विद द टेस्ट बर्ड्स वी हैव, कि ये मीठा अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे, हाँ आइसक्रीम अच्छा लग रहा है, वी गेट इंडल्ज इन थिंग्स विच वी रियली शुड टेक कॉशन नॉट टू रियली ओवर इंडल्ज, बट द टेस्ट बर्ड्स आर सो टेम्पटिंग. एक बार मिठाई खा गए तो बस चलो खाते ही रहो. सो दैट्स कार्ब्स, राइट? दैट्स गोइंग टू ऐड अप. योर थॉट्स ऑन दैट, गो अहेड प्लीज.
Of course, I mean, we are all addictive to, like, I have a sweet tooth and some ice cream or something is necessary.
Correct.
And tongue being the strongest muscle in the body, you know. So it dictates sometime over the mind and all that. But I also believe that, like all organs shrinking, you know, our stomach, which is just a fistful, that's about the size of this, is also shrinking.
Wrist, yeah. Mm-hmm.
So whenever I eat, I consider two things, that I have to just muthi bhar khana hai, you know. तो मुट्ठी भर खाने के लिए, now if you can imagine, if you're
I want to bring I'm sorry, मतलब ये क्वेश्चन, ये एक पॉइंट है. आपने कहा मुट्ठी भर होती है स्टमक, राइट? It has a capacity to expand 40 times its size.
That's what it is. When you see a skinny cow, and you see a cow well fed, you can see the same cow because there is a retention there. Right. So exactly, because it can, and because it takes, you know, when we were kid, like Nina ji, you are saying, अभी तो खाओ ना, अभी तो आपने क्या खाया? कुछ नहीं खाया. पतला होता है.
क्या खाया आपने अभी?
Yeah. So also, you know, sensibly, that you realize when you grow older that it takes about 20 or 15 to 20 minutes for mind to register if stomach is full or not.
Correct.
उस टाइम रोटी खाते चले जाओ तो ऐसा लगता है अभी एक और खा सकते हैं, फिर उन्होंने एक और दे दिया तो चलो ये भी चल जाएगी.
अभी तो कुछ खाया ही नहीं मैंने.
अभी तो कुछ, you know, then you go on couch and you say, look, don't disturb me for half an hour because all your oxygen has gone into digestion and nothing is up there. So yeah, I think, sensible as we age, coming back to the point of what to eat. Unfortunately, living in foreign countries, we don't have this luxury of having very fresh seasonal fruits and seasonal food as we have in India. Because the saying says that their nature has provided the food for a reason, for in seasons.
Correct.
If you ate if you are plant-based diet, if you have fruit and plants, and you take some meat also in moderation, because how much meat we eat? We don't eat Indians too much meat. India में तो Sunday को बनता था, you know, like Sunday है तो meat बनेगा.
Right.
But here it doesn't happen. So as we age, I personally speaking, I was also spent 12-15 years in Europe. I was like lot of meat eating or 4 courses and all that stuff. But now I am like 90%, 95% vegetarian. And I search for seasonal food even here, and seasonal fruits. And that becomes my like almost 80% of diet.
That's very interesting. All right, next we're going to put a heading is mental health matters. So as we were discussing, keeping yourself young at heart. Most important thing, I guess, we always say, मैं तो बूढ़ा हो गया, मैं तो बूढ़ी हो गई, अभी क्या रहा, ये रहा. So the negative thoughts itself is not only contagious, it has effect on oneself as well, I think. So Nina ji, what I'm trying to bring a point here is mental health, it matters a lot, I think. But why always people, as we old, instead of accepting in grace, we always think it's a curse. It's natural phenomena, right? So can we turn the tables and start thinking positive and make it like, hey, I'm still young at heart. I can still date. I can still go music. I can still do this. I can still that. I can jack. I can go on trips. That can keep one happy, right? Doesn't matter if you're aging or not. Go ahead, Nina ji.
Yes, दिल तो बच्चा है जी.
Exactly.
ये song आया था. तो अगर आप सोचे ही नहीं, I mean, it's unfortunate कि when we were young and we used to see our grandparent 50, 60 इंडिया में, हमको लगता ओहो बहुत बूढ़े हो गए. हम लोग उस एज को कब के क्रॉस कर गए और हमें पता ही नहीं चला कि हम कब 50, 60 में पहुंच गए. तो वहाँ हमारी मदर, फादर, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स सब लगते कि कितने बूढ़े हैं, बिकॉज उन्होंने कभी कलर नहीं किए अपने हेयर. देवर यू नो ग्रे कलर देखते ही और उनकी देखते हुए
साइकोलॉजी
फिजिक, तो वो ऐसे था कि ये तो सब बूढ़े हो गए. हम अपने आप को अभी तक नहीं समझते कि हम उस एज में आए हैं. तो फिर मैं यही सोचती हूँ कि सबसे बड़ी बात यही है, दिल तो बच्चा है, कि इन द सेंस कि अगर हम सोचे नहीं उस तरफ. और एक सबसे बड़ी बात है कि यंग पीपल यू नो दे ट्राई न्यू थिंग्स, कि चलो ये भी ट्राई करते हैं, ये सीख लेते हैं. तो एज एन एडल्ट ये एक होता है कि बस अब मुझे क्या सीखना, अब मुझे क्या करना. यू नो दैट्स द नेगेटिव थिंग. और अगर आप हमेशा ओपन रहे फॉर चेंज, अब जैसे टेक्नोलॉजी है, हम बोले हमने जूम, हमें नहीं मालूम कैसे चलता है जूम, हमको नहीं मीटिंग में जा, तो वी वुड हैव यू नो लाइक मिस्ड ऑल द अपॉर्चुनिटीज सिंस लास्ट ईयर. हम कनेक्ट ही ना हो पाते. तो इसलिए हमको एज के साथ चेंज होना, एक्सेप्ट करना थिंग्स को एज दे कम टू यू, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है हमारी पॉजिटिविटी.
करेक्ट. सिर्फ मैं आपसे सवाल पूछना है. आई थिंक वी हैव टू टेक अ स्टेप कि व्हाट काइंड ऑफ कंपनी वी हैव. Or if you move with people who inspire you, who motivate you, if you hang around those people, I'm sure definitely you will be more positive. I think मेरा ख्याल से. Your thoughts on that?
हाँ, इस उम्र में आकर के नेगेटिविटी जो है, नेगेटिव people should be avoided.
Negative, okay, okay.
Yeah, क्योंकि that they'll take you off the course altogether. जैसे आप जा रहे हैं जिस रास्ते पे, वो बेराह कर देंगे आपको. जी. और फिर सिर खुजाते रहेंगे, अरे हो क्या गया ये. तो इसमें मेन चीज जो है कि भाई देखिए, मेरे यहाँ पर मैं थाई ची सीख रहा हूँ और सेरामिक सीख रहा हूँ जी, योगा बेसिक, कंप्यूटर बेसिक्स जी, एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स you know, so what Neeraj is saying is the correct thing, which is like you got to keep yourself open.
Occupied.
And learn how much. ये बुढ़ापे का मतलब ये नहीं है कि बस बैठ जाओ.
Exactly.
उस वक्तों में इंडिया में उनको हाथ पे हाथ रख करके बैठा देते, अरे तुम हिलना मत. आप अरे आप कैसी दादा क्यों हिले, वहां तूने पानी नहीं दिया उसको. तो ये वहां पर उनको बेचारे को वहीं पर ही जमा करके बैठा देते. अब यहाँ पर जो है वो तो तुम्हें खुद करना पड़ेगा. तो ये बेसिक थिंग इज व्हाट आई हैव लर्नड इज दैट जितना कर सकते हो करो. गार्डनिंग है. अब माथुर साहब बोल रहे थे सब्जियों के लिए, मैं तो गार्डन में उगा लेता हूँ माथुर साहब. तो जो सीजनल वेजिटेबल है वो मेरे को मिल जाती है. जी हाँ. No, I'm just saying like you know, practically.
Right.
तो आपका मौफिक है, आपका मौसम वहाँ पर कैसा है मुझे मालूम नहीं है, बट बेसिकली यहाँ पर जो है थोड़ा बहुत हमें 5-6 महीने मिलते हैं जिसमें हम उगा सकते हैं. उसके बाद फिर ठंड आ जाती है एकदम.
राइट.
तो बकायदा मैं उगा देता हूँ टमाटर जो भी है फ्रेश. क्योंकि आप जो बोल रहे हैं जैसे कोल्ड स्टोरेज की चीजें हैं सारी, एप्पल और तो वो माफिक नहीं होती, पेट को भी थोड़ा वो.
करेक्ट. ओके माथुर साहब, आई वुड लाइक टू पुट अप अ थॉट फॉर यू कि अब फैमिली होती है, राइट, knowingly unknowingly beyond our control we get some health problems as well. कोई फैमिली में सीरियस हो जाता है, debilitating प्रॉब्लम हो जाते हैं, so that person definitely spiritually, mentally, physically they are little down. So in that situation that person is not going to be very optimistic about what he can talk about. So in that case a person who's normal should be motivating that person, all right, trying to encourage and stop talking about, because especially people who are in hospice hote hain, people who are at the end of the stage, they know it's coming, so I'm sure they're going to be feeling down. So how do we, because they want to talk it out as much as possible whatever the feelings are, so how do you think we have to really and challenge that, or trying to change the thoughts to make them feel a little better, whatever life we have left. Go ahead.
Well, like positivity, and they say that I was reading an article about hope somewhere,
G.
and that article said, and it was, I think, in connection with somebody's sick, uh, and it was the essence of that article was that the doctor told this person that he was sick, and he should start. No, he was diagnosed and he was terminally ill.
G. G.
But this doctor friend, so this story is narrated by this doctor,
G.
who was, and the patient was one of his close friend.
G.
And he said कि भाई अब तो मेरा टाइम आ गया है डॉक्टर साहब. तो उसने कहा नहीं नहीं, तुझे अभी बहुत जाना है, अब तो इतना टेक्नोलॉजी हो गया है, अब तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता तुझे. And just by saying hopefully that this person kept on doing wonders until this doctor changed his location to someplace, and new doctor came. A new doctor told him that your situation is very grave. I don't know how you survived so long. And so the story this narrated by this doctor is said that within a week that person died.
Oh my God! Yeah.
So the moral of the story is hope is such a dose, such a powerful
Positive
phenomenon.
dose.
Yeah, that if you keep this going, even in ourselves, like we were talking about Rom, every cell in the body.
Right.
This mind is giving this dose of hope to each one of our cells. So they have happy faces.
Correct.
That's the bottom
correct.
line.
All right. Our next topic is going to be, Nina, stay physically active. Does it mean physically active mean just running, jogging, blah, blah, kind of stuff, going on treadmill? But even active means doing things at home, chores at home, trying to cooking. There are also activities that it challenges you and tries to keep you positive. नया रेसिपी लेके आ गए, फ्रेंड से बात करके, you try something new, it works, it doesn't work. There's also a kind of a way of keeping yourself young at heart, right? Your thoughts on that?
Yes, I also like to keep myself busy अगर चाहे kitchen का work हो, and I like to help others.
जी.
अगर मैं किसी के काम कुछ भी आ सकूं, मुझे अच्छा लगता है.
जी.
घर में भी चाहे बच्चे हों, I keep telling them कि अगर मैं कुछ कर सकती हूँ तो मुझे just to get myself involved with them. मैं टीवी नहीं ज्यादा देखती हूँ, तो मुझे लगता है कि मेरा टाइम कुछ पढ़ने में नहीं भी लगे तो मैं कुछ गेम्स या जो like board games, and I play with my grandchildren. So I try to keep myself active कि जितनी देर मैं मतलब involved रह सकूं और कुछ नया सीखूं, तो मुझे लगता है that's good for us. It's not that running and mentally, मतलब जैसे कहते हैं ना अपने आप को challenge करना. और I just joined the New York Times का जो उनकी games होती हैं, I just do every day 2-3 games उनकी. So that's how I think थोड़ा positive रहता बंदा.
Great.
और वो time हम कुछ.
Great, Nina. But I'm talking. Next thought of this thing is, Cyril bhai, sometimes what happens, we have not learned new things throughout our life. As we get old, we really get an urge, I want to learn. How much is the application going to be that you're going to pick up and start changing your thinking process? Don't you think that's going to cause stress on one?
It will. It will cause stress, especially stress in the sense that if you want to catch up very fast.
जी.
अगर जल्दबाजी करेंगे तो होगा, आपको स्ट्रेस होगा. बट अगर आप ये समझ लीजिएगा कि देखो पहले मेरे को मौका नहीं मिला है,
जी.
तो यू बी काइंड टू योर ओन सेल्फ. ऐसे पहले मेरे को मौका नहीं मिला, कभी सोचा भी नहीं था इस तरफ. अब जैसे हमने यहाँ पर एकदम तबादला हो गया है, बाहर आए हैं वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज में, यहाँ की लाइफस्टाइल एकदम डिफरेंट है, इतना वक्त मिल जाता है, सब कुछ मिल जाता है. तो वो उसमें क्या है, जस्ट टू प्रीवियसली इंडिया में कभी मैं सोच भी नहीं सकता था कि भाई मैं गाने वाने तो गाता था, बट बेसिकली टू बी एबल टू indulge a bit of time to my own self, which is more positive in creating my own self, a good person. I think it's very important, that part of it.
Okay.
But इसमें थोड़ी मेहनत है. Only thing is थोड़ा brain को थोड़ा change करना पड़ता है.
Right.
और push ना करे इंसान. जितना करे आस्ता आस्ता कदम बाय
Step
कदम,
by step.
एक
Okay,
सीढ़ी का कदम फिर दूसरा फिर
I agree.
जा
Right point, कुलदीप भाई, मेरा next ये है thought कि you should बचपन से everybody naturally is talented somewhere or the other. We don't get chance to explore that or exploit करने के लिए. So haphazard आधा एक से गया आधा. As we retire, don't you think we should tap into that hobby or interest, a passion you have built over the years and you didn't have since you're young? You go to school, college, get married, have life. After retirement, we should focus more on that to develop and build more than to go try something new, which, as Cyril Bhai said, could be stressful and cause more problem. So your thoughts on that? Go ahead, please.
Yes, I'm a living example of your first question, first part.
Ji.
Because I was in, like, as a hobby, I used to sing.
Ji.
When I was young, I sang in All India Radio in children's program,
Right.
and then little bit college and all. But then 45 years of work,
Ji.
zero, like zero music. I did not know when Rafi died or when Mukesh.
oh my god,
Sometimes when people will tell, and I'm in Costa Rica or Brazil or sometimes in Australia, so I had no way of, so it is only after retirement, this 2017,
Ji.
although I retired a little early, but
Ji.
still working as consultant, but totally retired, I decided to pick singing again. And then I realized that of course, vocal is also an instrument, and I saw it was rusted. It was so much rusted, but I took it as a challenge.
Ji.
And like Cyril Bhai is saying, I gave myself 5 years.
Ji.
I said in 5 years, because I should not rush. Rushing I will damage maybe some of the things. And sometimes, and when I was into it, I even go to ENT and also especially vocal for my larynx and all that thing, just to make sure that I was not exerting and all of that thing. But that kept me going.
Ji.
And as I started getting results, I could see that, I started like to enjoy it. And same thing is with writing. I used to write poems and these things in my early on,
Ji.
and then stopped, and until my grandkids came. Then my daughter pushed me, said, "Dad, why don't you write children's something?"
Ji.
So I'm just finishing, maybe in a month I'm finishing a book on children's book.
Ji.
So these are the things which you pick up as a hobby, and also is good for like neuroplasticity. Where your neurons are going, like chemicals is reducing or electric current is reducing. By doing it, you are re-energizing those areas.
Right. That's interesting. Right. Nina, as far as we're talking about lowering your stress, right? So if you understand that the triggers, what is causing the stress, is much better than lowering already in the stress situation. You should diagnose what is the trigger that causes the stress. So your thought, go ahead, please. See, we talk about stress. There's got to be triggers for anything, right? So वो क्या चीज़ है जो आपको stressful करती है, उसको अगर diagnose करने से उसको avoid करें तो शायद there'll be no stress. I can reduce the stress, right?
Yes, कई दफा हम नहीं रिड्यूस कर पाते हैं, क्योंकि मैं हमेशा से मेडिकल सिचुएशन में अगर कोई घर में बीमार है, मुझे स्ट्रेस हो जाता है।
जी।
मुझे कोई और कहे कि मेरी तबीयत नहीं है ठीक, तो मुझे लगता है मुझे बीमारी हो गई है, मेरे को तकलीफ हो गई है।
Right.
तो वो स्ट्रेस जो है वो मेरी एक पर्सनालिटी में है कि मैं कई चीजों से दैट फियरफुल हूँ कि मुझे किसी को बीमारी नहीं देखी जाती है किसी का, तो वो मैं जितना मर्जी अवॉइड करना चाहूँ वो मेरे ऊपर स्ट्रेस आ ही जाता है। और जब तक कि बंदे को मैं थोड़ा सा आई फील कि कहीं, और किसी को भी अगर मायूस भी देखती हूँ तो मुझे लगता है इसको क्या प्रॉब्लम है, क्यों नहीं स्माइल आ रही, इसको कुछ तो चल रहा है इसके साथ। तो मेरी अपना एक पर्सनल नेचर है ये कि मैं चाहती हूँ कि सबके, वो रहती नहीं है पर आई कीप ट्राइंग कि मेरे आसपास के जितने लोग हैं कम से कम, वो कहते हैं ना जब भी मिला कीजिए हंस के मिला कीजिए, तो कहीं ना कहीं उनके चेहरों पे एक स्माइल हो और अपनी मुश्किलों को पीछे करके दे कुड डू इट। सो ये नेचर पे डिपेंड करता है अपना पर्सनल।
Great. Cyril bhai, next question, stress triggers बोल रहे हैं. Stress triggers, as she said, that's a self-induced because she cannot handle somebody not able to, not feeling well or whatever. That she's self-induced. They are not causing stress, but she's. Am I right, Nina? You're trying to feel yourself to
Yeah.
be stressful. You have chosen that path. Mera's next question to Cyril bhai is: as we grow older, does spouses cause stress to each other? You can't hear, everything is lower down, your activity is lower down. मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ सुना नहीं दे रहा, जोर से बोलिए, ये बोलिए. That can also cause.
Sorry. Now it's okay. I had mute myself because we are late running. Anyway, इसमें क्या है कि relationship is the most difficult thing on
जी,
earth.
जी,
दो औरत और आदमी साथ रह रहे
जी.
हैं, बच्चे भी आ जाते हैं, वही होता है. So in that, people have to give way to each other. Everybody has got their own spot and everything, the
Space.
तो ये relationship में बहुत सारी हो जाती हैं जिसमें स्ट्रेस आ जाती है.
जी.
उन्होंने जैसे मुस्कुराती थी, वो बेगम मुस्कुराती थी, मुस्कुराई नहीं, आज क्या हो गया भाई? हाँ? तो उसमें जो है उनसे पूछा जाए, वो कहेगी क्यों मेरे को बार बार तंग कर रहे हो तुम? हाँ, नहीं मुस्कुराना दिल कर रहा तो नहीं करती हूँ. तो ये जो है, ये चीजें, ये जो है, और फिर इसी के, I think a cohabitation is basically a very stressful thing.
Right. Okay.
But also one of the biggest happiness is from there, and we have to carry on with this.
Right.
So
yeah, we're running short of time quickly. Mathur, communication is the key in relationship, right? So how do we handle accepting the other partner's strength or weakness instead of challenge them? And ego is another big trigger for people to really get offended and they start communicating bad ways. Go ahead, your thoughts on that.
For me, the communication, the most important ingredient is to be a good listener.
I agree 100%, yes. And
If you are not a good listener, you have already lost half the battle of communication.
And non-reactive
If your body
also.
language, if you are doing something when somebody is talking to you, you are giving an impression you are not important. So you lost the communication.
Correct.
So to me, to be a listener, and also not only listen, to convey that you are sincere in listening, also frame up a question or two about what was said. Just confirm the questions by saying, oh, you meant this way? Yeah, sure. So that's the starting point of any good communication in a positive way.
Correct.
And of course, communication is the biggest culprit in spoiling the relationship. सुनते ही नहीं हो, 50 बारी बोल दिया.
I mean, trying to elaborate on your point, one is to be non-reactive whatever comes to you. For example, anything in form of sound, in form of words, whatever. Like you throw out a ball, somebody, if you stand right, you're going to get hurt with the ball. So try to stay away and the ball goes past you. So it's a non-reactive is the best way to try to do it. Communication की बात जब चल रही थी, if 3 is a crowd, for example, right? So especially Asian culture, हमारे culture में होता है कि everybody wants to throw their point, somebody else is talking. It's very common among Asian people, all right? They will not listen at all because they always try to jump in. What is the reason for that? Go ahead, Mathur Saab. They don't want to listen, so how will they understand what is being said? All talk at the same time, nobody understands nothing. So what have you achieved?
For this comes from maybe lack of empathy and sympathy and feeling for others. To convey your own point.
Ji.
And the louder you are, you will be heard. That mentality.
Ji.
First. Second mentality is I know more than you.
Okay.
So even if there are 3 people saying, hey, from here to there to the market, which is that, oh, you go straight and make a left. No, don't make a left. You just go right and, like everybody has their own point of opinion about that. So we are like my kids, because they were born and raised here.
Right.
They are teaching me now how to be a good listener, because they say, how come when we go to India, everybody's talking over everyone else and nobody's listening? And these poor kids here, they just start their point and they can never finish because so many people have jumped in already there. So that's number one thing. We are lacking that sensibility in communication, not to be a listener, and jumping on our point of view without giving a chance to fully understand.
Right.
And these are, yeah.
And there was another thing I have been noting. If one is given a chance to talk, they never end talking. They keep on talking for hours. So they have to be understandable also. Okay, you have to talk maybe a minute or two, then give the other person a chance to also talk. So have you observed that? I have observed a lot of time. When they're given a microphone, they will never stop talking. So these are small, काफी Asian में है ये ज़्यादा. American, they talk to the point, minute, 2 minutes, okay, they just, TV station में देखें, same thing happens. So what is that nature we built up back home?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. It is
Achha.
coming from lack of, I cannot say education or this because we are most educated country in the world. But it has to come with the social understanding which has happened. Maybe in our great grandfather's time there were more sensitivity and respect for each other, but which got lost.
Right.
And not God, and the scarcity, standing in line for ration, for sugar, and this, and fighting ways out, saying no. We have become like in our own way of macho. Unless you speak loudly, nobody is gonna heard you.
Right, yeah.
You will not be heard. That has taken over in last maybe 100 years or 50, 70
correct.
years, and that has become our habit.
All right. Now, a couple of points before you wind up. Nina, I want to bring a point to you, Nina. See, people who, they say, smoking and alcohol consumption also can actually lower your health or whatever you call it. It can spoil your health. But people who don't smoke, people who don't drink alcohol, they also went through the aging and health problems too. So how do you relate these two things, Nina?
Yes, कुछ तो कहते हैं ना जीन्स में है हमारे
जी
जो हम अपने फैमिली से बिलोंग करते हैं. कुछ जेनेटिक हमारी भी क्रॉनिक डिजीज है जो कि फैमिली में चल रही है, तो वो यू कैन नॉट अवॉइड दैट. पर फिर अगर आप ऊपर से अल्कोहल और ये सब भी करें तो और एग्रेवेट करते हैं. तो आई मीन होती है, एजिंग तो होगी ऑफ कोर्स, एंड देन इफ यू कैन अवॉइड दोस थिंग्स इट्स गुड फॉर अस. या
Okay, the last point is getting enough sleep. So how much time you spend sleeping, Cyril Bhai? That's a positive point. So what's the required minimum hours of sleep as we age?
As I usually take a nap in the afternoon, little nap, maybe 15-20 minutes.
जी.
तो एक siesta कर लेता हूँ मैं, और फिर शाम को रात के वक्त में कम से कम 7 घंटे सोता हूँ.
7 hours.
7 hours.
7 hours. And you sound sleep.
Yeah, sounds.
The biggest spoiler of sleep is a snoring partner.
Yeah.
So how do you handle
I
that?
am the snoring partner. The other person has to put up with me.
Mathur Sahab.
But उसके लिए क्योर है. And I'm trying to do that.
Okay, Mathur Sahab, आपकी thoughts, आपकी opinion, as we enough sleep बोल रहे हैं. As we age, we worry a lot. As we age, we think about what's going to happen after years, what's going to happen when something happens to us. That kind of worries keeps most people awake, I think. Lack of sleep. I see sleep goes down as we age. So how can we expect to have a sound sleep 7 hours? Go ahead.
I think, first of all, as we age, we have to learn how to cope with stress. We have to really master that.
जी.
That whatever happens, we are not in control, and we will do our best when whatever way we can do in case. With that thought in mind, you gradually start to learn and become stress free, because you say, we'll handle it when, like our grandmother used to say, अरे जो राम जी बलि करेंगे, like those kind of thing. And it was so powerful mantra that they would just hand over the stress to Ramji and
somebody else. Yeah.
So I do that. I take a siesta of like 60 minutes every afternoon when my dog does. He has gotten so used to my nap that he takes a nap also same time. Uh, and then I sleep for, it varies between 6 and 7 hours.
That's
And the
cool.
reason it is necessary for your body to rejuvenate,
That's true. That's
all
true.
organs to rejuvenate,
That's
cells to
true.
rejuvenate.
Okay, Neena ji,
So
your thoughts, please, Neena ji.
Yes, sound sleep शायद 7 hours नहीं ले सकती हूँ मैं, or maybe 4-5 hours होगी, and rest of the sleep is not that. So it all depends. कि there are days when more than 7 or 7 is good enough.
Okay.
But
एक
yeah.
point, Neena ji. I think आप बोल रहे हैं you get stressful situation पे, anybody for us also. Unless you express that you're holding it inside, that's going to be more stressful, right? It's going to trigger more effects, right? So you have to talk it out. Be more oral about that. Be more extrovert about that, right?
Yeah, that's true. And it, as I said, कि मुझे बीमारी से थोड़ा सा वो लगता है, और मैं दूसरे की बीमारी, अपनी बीमारी के बारे में नहीं सोचती हूँ।
जी जी।
और मैं अपने लिए तो एक ही गाना गाती हूँ, जब तक है जा मैं नाचूंगी मैं गाऊंगी। तो मैं अपने बारे में कम सोचती हूँ, मैं दूसरों के बारे में ज्यादा सोचती हूँ, वो मुझे स्ट्रेस ज्यादा देता है। अगर किसी की भी कोई इशू होता है, वो मुझे, मैं हाउ टू सॉल्व दैट, आई थिंक मुझे हाफ ऑफ द माय लाइफ हैज बीन लाइक जस्ट अपने बारे में कम सोचना और दूसरों के बारे में ज्यादा सोचना।
And that's very good thought, Neena. That's very nice thought. But what I'm trying to say is, unless we express our feeling, if we feel really bad about something, nobody will care about that, right? Mathur Sahib, am I right? If you have something's bothering you, should talk it out either to a friend or confidant or to a medical professional. You keep on building inside, and that's not a good thing, I guess. Go ahead, please.
Oh, totally. I fully agree. And I was about to tell Neena ji, the more she thinks and says these things out loud, that I worry a lot about others. I worry, what you're doing? You're feeding yourselves
exactly
this information, and you're reinforcing in your minds, instead of saying, what, I used to worry a lot about this, but I don't do that anymore. What I can do is just help as much as I can, and that's it. Yeah. This is the feeding you should start from your mind to the body, and you will see that in sometimes it starts to work.
I think that's very important.
Anyway, it doesn't help. Worry doesn't solve any problems.
Exactly. It
doesn't solve any problems.
It worsens it more. I agree. So, dosto, at the end, we all agree we are going to age. It's normal. How we handle our aging process is individual upon us. So, we talked over here. Whoever listen to us, maybe they can get a tip or two, and we should practice as we are talking about this. Preach what you practice, practice what you preach. So this way we are trying our best to do. And BTC, Neena ji, please go ahead. BTC is the platform to be a stress breaker.
Yes, definitely. And for last 2 years, ever since I joined, I like it, and I've been always saying, Dr. Nehmat, thank you for giving us an opportunity. I like to sing. Maybe I'm not singing at par to be a part of the group, but at least I try to sing and participate in Bolly quiz and try. So that helps. It really helps. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Sahil bhai, aapka thoughts, BTC could be a stress breaker for people?
Dr. साहब, आपके पास 2 सिंगर हैं यहाँ पर और
okay.
2 सिंगर और हैं, माथुर साहब हैं और नीना जी हैं
जी।
ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट थिंग इज दैट। और बाकी जो है देखिएगा, लाइक स्ट्रेस इन डिफरेंट थिंग्स इज देयर। आई डोंट वरी एट ऑल। मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ऐसी बात की, क्योंकि मैं जो सोते वक्त भी अगर कोई मेरे को कुछ तंग कर रहा है, ऐसा होता है कि जब पेट ज्यादा भरा होता है ना रात को सोते वक्त, तो तुम्हें तंग करेगा, सोने नहीं देगा।
करेक्ट।
तो बेसिकली ऑल दोस गुड हैबिट्स ऑफ एक्सरसाइज and this thing will get you good health, good sleep at night.
No, मेरा क्वेश्चन
करता है तो सांस जब निकाल रहे हैं, जहाँ सांस जब अंदर ले रहे हैं, you take positive thinking. You just forget about all your problems.
Correct. मेरा क्वेश्चन, I'm sorry, एक second, I'm sorry, we're running out of time now. मेरा क्वेश्चन is, how much BTC is trying to be a stress breaker? Bollywood Talent Club जो कर रहे हैं हमें, in your opinion, how much is a stress breaker for people who are joining here and talking and listening to us?
Tremendous. I think, it gives us the opportunity because we don't have, ये प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं है हमारे पास कहीं पर
जी
ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म जो दूसरों की कुछ सुने और अपना गिला शिकवा बोले
जी।
और गाने वाने भी सीख ले, सुन ले और सीख भी ले। तो ये तो बहुत ही अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है। ये मंच ही बहुत अच्छा मंच है, ये बहुत अच्छी चीज है।
माथुर साहब, आपकी थॉट अबाउट दिस एज अ स्ट्रेस ब्रेकर, BTC?
I think, yeah, there is no doubt. You know, I think in COVID, if you think shows like yours
जी
have been a boon for people who are feeling like isolated to the point that they would magnify their negative thoughts multiple times because there is no outlet.
हाँ
And now even thinking about, oh, today I was so busy with, I had the whole house filled with boxes and all of that stuff.
Right,
But
right,
I
right.
had something going, hey, this is for me to do it. So this is my program for my outlet. So I really appreciate that.
That's the
I really
key. All right. So dosto, thank you very much for having joined today BTC Forum for Social Awareness. Today we talked about very interesting, very common. It's going to happen to every one of us on this earth, aging, and how could we grace the aging, how could we be healthy, how could we maintain the aging in a very healthy way. That was the topic. So please write your comments on our bollywoodtalentclub.com page. So we'll try to respond to this as soon as we can. Thank you very much, Mathur Sahab. Thank you, Neena ji. Thank you, Cyril bhai. Hope to see you. All right. Mathur Sahab will talk to you about tomorrow's program, Wednesday. Okay, na? Theek hai. Good night. Good night, Neena ji.
Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you ji. Thank you. Good night.
Good night. Okay. All right, dosto. Good night.